Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn Pathfinder. So let's start. Draw two rectangles and place them like this. Go to Pathfinder tab from here, or go to Window and select Pathfinder from here. If you want to make them one object, select both of them and just click on Unite. Now this is one shape instead of two rectangles. Now draw two circles and place them like this. And click -front so you can see orange circle is remove. Press undo, and if you place orange circle behind by send to back command, and then click on -front, so it will red circle. Press undo, next is intersect. It will keep only that area which is overlap, or you can say the common area between two circles. See, only that area is remain in selection which was overlap. Press undo, next is exclude. Exclude work opposite to intersect. Now notice one thing when I however on intersect, it's showing alt click to make compound shape. Let's see how it's work. If you click on Unite by holding Alt key, so it will make Unite, but you still have your shape on its original position. You can edit it by double click. When you done and satisfy that you don't need to edit it more, so click on Expand. Press Undo. And do it same with -front. Now see, I can still select that object which I minus and move it, scale it. Move to next, create a circle here, and make some lines on it like this. Now click on Divide, so it will divide them. You can move them and change color of them. Delete them and move to next. Make two rectangle like this. And click on Trim. So it cut that overlap area from the behind one object, and Trim also remove stroke color of your object. Next is Merge. Merge do same as Unite, but only difference is when you apply Merge, so it will merge object, but remove stroke color. Unite not remove strokes when you use Unite. Next is Crop. Crop do same as intersect, but there are two differences. First one, crop remove strokes, intersect don't, and second difference is very weird. When we use crop, so it's showing extra selection from the box and I don't have any explanation about that. Next is Outline. When you click on Outline, so it will remove fill and only show very thin outline of your object. Next is -back. It will minus the object which is behind. That's all for Pathfinder. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.